Welcome to Aria Sky Suite. We're gonna do unboxing on the ones that we purchased from Aria Patisserie this morning. Sweet and sweet. Go ahead. Okay, the first one. Wow, look at this. I think that's a raspberry one. We did plenty of shopping.
Wow.
Wow, look at that muffin. That looks so yummy. What's next? Oh, almond croissant. There you go. All right. That looks awesome. Oh, that's chocolate croissant. Chocolate croissant. Another almond croissant? Yes, that's another almond croissant. Whoa, look at this many. Ooh. Who's gonna eat all of them? Oh, we have a fruit cup here. That looks delicious too. Next. Oh, this is a cake. Wow, look at this. We tried yesterday other cakes. Those were so yummy. We couldn't resist.
Oh, we have one more.
Oh, one last one. Oh, another raspberry one. So, wow, look at all these.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another one, another cake here. That's a patty something, right?
Yeah, patties. This is
Oh, there's another one.
Yummy.
Oh, ooh, look at the chocolate.
And then finally,
Oh, we have another bag here, white bag here. What's in there?
macaron.
Oh, macarons.
One more.
2 boxes of macarons. Hope you like our video. Enjoy. Bye bye.